moving across to India, which is experiencing an uneven weather swing. The India Meteorological Department says hot and humid conditions will dominate multiple states over the next 2 days, from Andhra Pradesh to Kerala to Gujarat, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and coastal Karnataka. IMD has warned that maximum temperatures across northwest India are set to rise sharply by 4 to 6 degrees Celsius until April 18th. Delhi is expected to touch around 41 degrees Celsius by mid-month, with hot and humid conditions building through the week. Meanwhile, strong surface winds are likely to sweep through other sections of North India, including Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. While the north and west bake under rising heat, the northeast is expected to face widespread thunderstorms. Assam, Meghalaya and neighboring states could see rainfall, lightning and gusty winds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, and isolated heavy spells forecasted in some areas. While in the south, including Karnataka, Kerala and parts of Andhra Pradesh, scattered thunderstorms and windy conditions are expected. The IMD says the combination of rising heat, humidity and storm activity will continue this highly active and transitional weather phase across the country.